Classification of organic reaction. Organic reaction classified by the 5 types. Number 1, substitution reaction. Number 2, elimination reaction. Number 3, addition reaction. Number 4, rearrangement reaction. And number 5, polymerization reaction. First, substitution reaction. Substitution reactions are classified into 3 types: free radical substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, and nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction also classified into 2 types, SN1 and SN2. Substitution nucleophile in unimolecular reaction, that means SN1. Substitution nucleophile bimolecular reaction, that means SN2. So substitution reaction are classified into 3 types: free radical, electrophilic, and nucleophilic substitution reaction. First, free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction, first step, initiation step, second step, propagation step, and third step, termination step. In the initiation step, first free radical will be produced. Cl, single bond Cl, homolytic cleavage, so 2 Cl dot, that means 2 chlorine free radical will be produced by the homolytic cleavage of chlorine. Next, propagation. This free radical reacts with methane molecule and then produce CH3, that is methyl free radical, CH3 dot plus HCl. Termination process means total free radical combine with each other and produced different types of molecule. Cl dot plus Cl dot, that means produce chlorine gas. CH3 single bond CH3 ethane molecule. CH3 single dot plus chlorine dot reacts with each other and then produce methyl chloride. Next, chemical reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. These electrophilic substitution reactions are the typical reactions of aromatic rings. Example, benzene. Electrophiles are electron deficient species. The electrophilic substitution reaction is exothermic in nature, whereas the addition reaction is endothermic due to loss of aromatic character of nucleus. So, electrophilic substitution steps: number 1, generation of electrophile. Number 2, formation of pi complex 1. In electrophilic substitution, there are 2 types of pi complex: formation of pi complex 1 and formation of pi complex 2. So, first step, generation of electrophile, formation of pi complex 1. Next step, formation of sigma complex, formation of pi complex 2, and then formation of product. There are some examples for the generation of electrophile. This is very, very important for you. First type, halogenation reaction, reagents Br2 in presence of iron catalyst, electrophile Br+. Nitration reaction, reagent concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4, that means mixed acid, and then produced electrophile NO2+. In sulfonation reaction, reagent concentrated H2SO4, electrophile SO3H+. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, Rx, R means any alkyl group, X means any halide species, Rx plus AlCl3. AlCl3 always in form of anhydride form. So Rx plus AlCl3 anhydride form and then produced free radical, alkyl free radical. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, RCOX, R means any alkyl group, COX plus AlCl3. AlCl3 in form of anhydride form and then produced RCO plus. So steps: number 1, formation of pi complex 1. Benzene reacts with electrophile and then produced a unstable species. Number 2, formation of sigma complex. Resonance structure, E plus binds in that particular position, so this is positive. Resonance structure and then produce sigma complex. Then sigma complex converted into pi complex 2. Sigma complex converted into pi complex 2. Then pi complex 2 converted into product. Energy diagram, reaction coordinate, potential energy, pi complex 1, intermediate state, pi complex 1, pi complex 2, transition state 1, transition state 2, transition state 3, transition state 4. After that we will get product. So first benzene plus electrophile, intermediate pi complex 1, first intermediate, second intermediate pi complex 2, and then ultimately produced product. Next step, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are two types, SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. First SN1 reaction. SN1, steps number 1, ionization reaction. X, R means any alkyl group, X means any halide group, then produced first transition state TS1, R dot dot X within third bracket, that means transition state 1. Then produced R plus X minus, R plus means হচ্ছে carbocations. Next step 2, this produced R plus reacts with the suitable Nu minus and then produced another transition state 2, and finally produced product. And then finally produced product. Product means R, Nu. R means any alkyl group, Nu means nucleophile. This is the energy profile diagram, potential energy, reaction coordinate, Rx, R means alkyl group, halide, intermediate step R plus, that means production of carbocation, then ultimately final product RNU. Nu means nucleophile, R means any alkyl group. The nucleophilic substitution reaction, first part SN1. Next part SN2 reaction. In SN2, nucleophile attacks in the backward side of the substrate. That means nucleophile attack from the backward side of the leaving group. This is the actual substrate. So nucleophile attack in this position. Ethyl above the plane and hydrogen below the plane. L means leaving group. In the transition state 1, carbon formed 5 valency structure. Carbon bonded with 5 atom. Hydrogen atom, leaving group, CH3, ethyl, nucleophile. Then L minus leave from the substrate and then ultimately produced nucleophile, carbon, ethyl above the plane, hydrogen below the plane, and CH3 plus L minus. This is the energy profile diagram for SN2. Only one transition state, substrate, transition state 1, and then product. Next, features of SN1 reaction. With increasing more substitution of the substrate, reaction rate of the SN1 gradually increases. Very common example, CH3CCl. CH3CCl produce CH3C plus. So more substitution. In this structure 3 methyl group, in this structure 2 methyl group, and in this structure only 1 methyl group. With increasing substitution, rate of the SN1 gradually increases. Next point, substitution of a nucleophilic attached to a chiral center leads to the formation of racemic mixture. Racemic mixture means plus minus. In presence of polar solvent, that means with increasing polarity of the solvent molecule, SN1 reaction rate gradually increases. In presence of any polar solvent, when SN1 reaction occurred, then this type of reaction is called as solvolysis reaction. Solvolysis reaction means SN1 rate of the reaction increases in presence of polar solvent. SN1 reaction totally independent of a nucleophile reactivity. So there is no role of Nu minus in SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction totally depends on the substitution of the carbocation. With increasing stability of the carbocation, rate of the SN1 gradually increases. Next part, features of SN2 reaction. SN2 single state process. In SN2, already discussed, substrate transition state 1 product. So SN2 in one state process. Number 2, rate always depends upon the concentration of the substrate. So rate of SN2 reaction increases with increasing nucleophilicity of the Nu minus. Rate of SN2 reaction increases with increasing nucleophilicity of Nu minus. Number 3, with increasing substitution of the leaving group, rate of the SN2 reaction gradually decreases. So CH3CCl, more substitution because 3 methyl group, next 2 methyl group, next 1 methyl group, and then CH3Cl. With decreasing substitution, rate of SN2 gradually increases. This is totally a backside attack. Inverted configuration. In presence of non-polar or less polar solvent, rate of the SN2 reaction gradually increases. Next type of reaction, elimination reaction. Depending upon the position of the eliminating group, elimination reaction may be classified into 3 types. Number 1, 1,1 elimination reaction or alpha elimination reaction. 1,2 elimination reaction or beta elimination reaction. 1,3 elimination reaction means gamma elimination reaction. So elimination reaction may be classified into 3 types: alpha elimination, beta elimination and gamma elimination reaction. This is the steps of alpha elimination reaction. Carbon number 1. So OH minus attacks into this carbon and hydrogen attached to OH minus. So in 1,1 elimination reaction means alpha elimination reaction. So OH minus attack into this hydrogen atom and hydrogen atom leaving from this carbon number, that means carbon 1, and then produced C minus. Then another chloride ion, that means Cl minus ion leaving from this carbon atom and then produced dichlorocarbene. So 1,1 elimination reaction means first hydrogen atom removed from this carbon atom and then chlorine minus removed from this carbon number 1 and then produced dichlorocarbene. Number 2, 1,2 elimination reaction. Elimination reaction, beta elimination reaction means 2 groups or atoms are removed from adjacent carbon atom, resulting to the formation of a double bond or a triple bond. So 1,2 elimination reaction, depending upon the kinetics of the reaction, this beta elimination reaction may be classified into 3 types: E1, E2, E1CB. E1 means elimination unimolecular reaction, E2 means elimination bimolecular reaction, E1CB means elimination unimolecular in respect to its conjugate base. Elimination bimolecular reaction further classified into 2 types: syn and anti. Syn means removed from the same side, anti means removed from the different side of carbon atom. This is the steps of E1 reaction. Step 1, CH3CCl, RDA step, that means rate determination step. First produced carbocation, then B means base. Base reacts in hydrogen atom. First base attack hydrogen atom and then this bond shifted into this carbon CH2. So CH3 double bond CH2. E1 elimination reaction, that means elimination unimolecular reaction. Next, E2 elimination reaction. This is the reaction process or steps of the E2 elimination reaction. In E2 elimination reaction, that means elimination by molecular reaction. So first base reacts into this hydrogen atom and leaving group removed from the another carbon atom. Base first attacks into the hydrogen atom, then leaving group leave from this another carbon atom. So base attached to it hydrogen atom and leaving group leaving from this carbon atom. So C double bond C R R C R R plus BH plus L minus. So E2 elimination reactions are two types. Syn elimination reaction. The elimination reaction in which the eliminated group are the same side of the bond axis, that means group removed from the same side, that means হচ্ছে syn reaction or syn elimination reaction. In anti-elimination reaction, the elimination reaction in which the eliminated group are on opposite side of the bond axis are known as anti-elimination reaction. Next, E1CB, elimination unimolecular reaction with respect to conjugate base. B means base. First B attacks into the hydrogen atom, then chlorine minus removed from the same carbon atom. Base attacks into the hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom attached with the same carbon atom, and chlorine also removed from the same carbon atom. So E1CB, elimination unimolecular with respect to conjugate base. Then 1,3 elimination reaction or gamma elimination reaction. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. So elimination of carbon number 1 and elimination from carbon number 3 is known as 1,3 elimination reaction or gamma elimination reaction. Leaving group eliminated from 1 and 3 position. This is position number 1, position number 2, position number 3. So 2 Br atom removed from carbon number 1 and 3. That's why this type of reaction is known as 1,3 elimination reaction. Next part, addition reaction. Addition reactions are three types: electrophilic addition reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction, and free radical addition reaction. In electrophilic addition reaction, first electrophile will be produced, and this electrophile reacts into the double bonded molecule or reacts with triple bonded molecule. So X, Y, then produced X plus electrophile and Y minus nucleophile. Then CH2 double bond CH2 unsaturated carbon atom contains carbon-carbon double bond. So greedy center, X plus attack into this double bond and then produced CH3 plus CH2 and X. X means leaving group plus Y minus. Then Y minus attacks into the carbocation and then produce CH2 CH2 X. So electrophilic addition reaction, there are two steps, step 1 and steps 2. Then nucleophilic addition reaction, R double bond O keto group, nucleophilic attack into the carbon atom and then one single bond open up with the oxygen molecule. Nucleophile above the plane and oxygen below the plane. In presence of H plus reacts with O minus and then produced OH. So C single bond R above the plane nucleophile and below the plane OH. Free radical addition reaction already discussed: initiation process, propagation process and termination process. Last chemical reaction, rearrangement reaction. The term rearrangement refers to the migration of a group from one atom to another within the same molecule. A single bond B and X attached with A atom. A single bond B, X attached with another atom B. So rearrangement reaction means rearrangement of the group.